Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI. Here you can go and type Pippit AI. Then you can open this website. You can easily generate images, videos, as well as you can create marketing videos and many more. So simply you can open this website. After that you need to create a free account, and then you can easily create your account with TikTok, Facebook and Gmail account. Click here continue with Google, then select your Gmail account. So let me select one of the account. Then after that scroll down, click here continue button. Now here you need to add some details. Then after that click continue button. Now we have created a free account. You will get 520 credits instantly after you create the account. Here you can see these are the 520 credits available. Now you can easily create images, videos and many more. Here you can see these are the different options. You can create story videos, short videos, product images, marketing videos. Just I can type create a video for 3 top cars in the world. Then after that press enter, then confirm. Here you can see it has started generating video. So by default it is generating the short video. Here you can select the model. So these are the different AI models that you can use. After that you can easily select the aspect ratio for the video. Here you can see this one is the option 9:16, 16:9. So you can select any of the option from here. After that you can easily create any type of. So guys, here you can see video is ready. Now I can expand it.
In a world of limits, they dared to be limitless. The Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of unrelenting power. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale.
That looks fine. Now again if I go back, so if you want to save this video, just you need to click this button, and after that this video will be saved into your laptop. Okay, now I can go back, and again now I have selected this one for the long video 16:9. Create video for top 3 cars. After that again press enter. Now it will create a long video. Let's see how it works. So guys, here you can see long video is ready. Now I can play it. So this one is 24-second video.
In a world of limits, they chose to build beyond them the Bugatti Chiron, defining raw, uncompromising power.
So this tool is very fantastic. You can use it for the AI videos. You can also create the marketing videos and product images. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.